Let us try to study and interpret the given graph in a non-routine problem. What is the graph all about? The answer is sales of rubber shoes. How much more sales have Maporma shoes than Malambot shoes? If your answer is 20,000 pesos, you are right. If the sales of Makintab is tripled, how much will be its total sales? The correct answer is 15,000 pesos. If the sales of Maporma and Matibay shoes are put together, how much will it cost? It's 90,000 pesos. This time, I want you to answer on your own. Get your pen and paper, and I will give you time to solve. Use the data in the graph to solve the problem. What is the title of the graph? What month registered the highest harvest? How many kabans were harvested for the month of April? Time's up! Here are the answers!
Created using Powtoon.